our original design was really like unstable and floppy, and it didn't work out very well, and we couldn't attach and rubber bands didn't want to work with us that because it would go forward and then it would break. It would go forward, it'd break, and then go backwards. And then you can talk about the redesign.
So we completely destroyed it and made a whole new one. Yay.
And it was.
We made it a lot smaller and it had a lot more mass, but it was also a lot more sturdy, so the rubber bands could pull it instead of pulling it apart like our first design.
In this design, we attached it to a connect, and then we attached it in just like a certain way, so it would like detach, so it wouldn't get wrapped around, break, and then go backwards again. So just keep on coasting along. And we figured out how to use a trigger by we had two wheels stacked up top of each other, and then things sticking out of that, and then we had that connected to that, and then we had some pieces connecting to the where the rubber band was connecting, and when we released that, this moved that way so it'd get out of the way when we pulled on a string. That's probably a pretty bad description, but
Machine, there's more room for you to, well, we twisted up the rubber band, but more room for you to twist up the rubber band. So when you twisted up the rubber band like a bunch of times, it made the machine move a lot faster.
And we needed to make the sides stronger so the connects wouldn't break with all the force of the rubber bands.
And it would let the rubber band release from the whole contraption that we had to make it move, and so it wouldn't have a negative velocity when the rubber bands ran out of room to turn forward.
that's how it worked.
And we also figured out how to put the rubber band a level higher so it got more energy into it and got more force.
I pulled the trigger.
Good job.